a 5-day gaining streak. The Nifty is below the 11,100 level. But what are the stocks that's buzzing in trade today? You have GMR Infra. That particular counter has snapped its 3-day losing streak, surging most in a month. The stock gained over 7% in an intraday move, and this is on back of reports indicating that GMR Infra is among other private companies that has shown interest in operating passenger trains on India's railway network. The stock has seen a surge of about 44% in the past 52 weeks. Moving on, you have Hindustan Zinc. The stock has jumped most in 7 years, snapping 3-day losing streak. The company reported its Q1 earnings yesterday and also noted that the demand for zinc is likely to improve by the end of the current quarter, as most of their key customers have shown interest and they are increasing production as well. Next up is M&M Financial. The stock has surged about 13% intraday, most in 11 years. Remember, over the weekend, the board approved 1:1 rights issue at 50 rupees per share. The board has fixed July 23rd as the record date for the same. So today it's gone ex-date. The rights issue will open on July 28th and close on August 11th. And that is what's keeping the stock buzzing in the session today. Couple of earnings impact that we are tracking today. One is HUL. Definitely that particular counter is seeing a downward move in today's session after reporting a drop in domestic consumer sales growth in Q1. This is the third day of decline for the particular counter. Another stock that's there on everyone's radar, and that is Axis Bank. The stock has hit 3-month high. The management in its earning call mentioned that they continue to remain cautious, they conserve capital. On moratorium front, the bank has stated that the amount stands at 9% of the book in value term. Other company that reported a stellar set of numbers was India Mart Intermesh. They saw a huge spurt intraday. About 14% was the surge that the particular counter saw in trade on the back of stellar Q1 performance. The PAT also jumped twofold, so that particular counter also is buzzing in trade. Bajaj Auto reported its Q1 earnings earlier today, with the PAT coming in at around 528 crore rupees. It is in line with ET Now estimates. Even the revenues were in line with ET Now estimates, but the margin is what is it was above ET Now poll, coming in at around 13.3%. Apart from that, you have Reliance Industries. That particular counter has hit a record high once again, and it has surpassed the crucial 2,000 rupees per share mark. So there you go, sentimentally a positive coming in for Reliance Industry at record high once again. Apart from that, you have gold loan financiers, that is Muthoot Finance as well as Manappuram Finance, that both the counters are buzzing in trade. Remember, your precious metals are surging. Silver is at a 7-year high, and also you have gold that is inching towards the record high level. So those are also the counters that are buzzing in trade today.